Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Elta Sipita Putri. My last registration number is 005. My lecturer is Ma'am Dr. Melinda Rosa, MPD. Okay, I will present my proposal. The title: The Effectiveness of Roleplay in Communicative Language Teaching (CLT) on Students Speaking in 7th grade of MTS and 7 Agam. Okay, next, the background of the study. Speaking is considered one of the most challenging skills for EFL learner because it requires the integration of various linguistic competences including pronunciation, vocabulary, grammar, fluency, and comprehension in real-time communication. This study investigates the effectiveness of role-play implementation within communicative language teaching (CLT) approach on 7th grade student speaking skill at MTS and 7 Agam. The research addresses critical issue is English language learning, particular student, limited speaking, proficiency characterized by hesitation, restricted vocabulary for pronunciation, and lack of confidence in oral communication. Okay, next, the research question. This study aims to address the following research question. How effective is the implementation of role-play and communicative language teaching (CLT) on student speaking skill and 7th grade of MTS and 7 Agam? Okay, the research objective. According to the research question, the purpose of this research can be stated as follows. The purpose of this study is to measure the effectiveness of role-play implementation within CLT approach of 7th grade student speaking skill at MTS and 7 Agam. And then the significance of the study. For the teacher, enhance understanding of CLT principles and role-play implementation, provide practical strategies for creating agency speaking activities, improving pedagogical competence in facilitating communicative language learning. Okay, for the students, improve speaking skills, talk, agents, and authentic learning experience. Second, increase confidence and motivating in English oral communication. The last, develop better communicative competence for future academic and professional needs. Okay, the okay. Chapter 2, Review of Related Literature. The theory, Brown 220. Defining speaking as interactive process of constructing meaning that involves producing, reviving, and processing information. Communicative language teaching, or CLT, is an approach to language learning that emphasizes real communication skill as the primary goal of language education. According to Richard and Roger, 2001, CLT aims to help students use the target language communicatively to real-life context. And then the role play is a dynamic and interactive technique greatly employed in CLT to develop speaking skill. Its influence participants assume a specific role and acting out a scenario, often improving dialogue based on a given context. By Birney, the relevant study, there is two. First, the according to Dania Astuti, 200 16. The effectiveness of simulation and role-play technique to teach speaking for high and low motivation students. This study highlights the impact of motivation on speaking learning outcomes. It was found that students with high motivation exhibit better speaking skill after the implementation of role-play and simulation method. Okay, the second from according to Sari and Hamza, 2023, the effectiveness of simulation and role-play technique to teach speaking for high and low motivation students. The study showed that 25 grade student experience and average score increased from 17 to and 4 to 17.5 to after the implementation of role-play method. Statistical tests relevant are significant difference between pre-test and post-test score. In this setting, the effectiveness of this method enhancing speaking skill. Okay, next, the hypothesis. Based on the theoretical framework, the various research finding the following hypotheses are fundamental. H. Alternative hypothesis. There is a significant difference in speaking skill between 7th-grade students who revise role-play instruction, talk CLT, and those who revise conventional instruction at MTSN 7 Agam. HO, null hypothesis. There is no significant difference in speaking skill between 7th grade students who revise role-play instruction, talk CLT, and those who revise conventional instruction at MTSN 7 Agam. Okay, chapter 3, research method. Research design. This study employed a quantitative experimental design, specifically a two-group pretest and post-test experimental design. This design involves two group, an experimental group and a control group, both of which are administered a pretest before the intervention and a post-test after the intervention. And then population and sample. The population of this study comprises all 7 grade students at MTSN 7 Agam during the academic year 2025 and 2026. Sample. The sample for this study consists of 2 classes selected from the 7th grade population to ensure comparability and record bias. These 2 classes were randomly selected from the available 7th grade classes at MTSN 7 Agam. The experimental group, class 7A, consisting of 30 students. This group will revise instruction using role-play method integrated with CLT principle for a total of 6 meetings. And then the control group, class 7B, also consisting of 30 students. This group will revise instruction using conventional teaching method for the same during of 6 meetings. The data collection. First, pretest. A pretest will be administered to both the experimental and control group before the intervention period begins. The second, intervention period. Following the pretest, the experimental group will undergo a series of structured role-play interpretation implemented talk CLT principle for 6 meetings. The last post-test. After the 6 meeting intervention period, Post-test will be expanded to both the experimental and control group. Okay, last, the instrument is set. The primary instrument for data collection in this study will be an oral test presentation. This test is designed the elected student speaking performance, which will then be assessed using a standardized speaking assessment rubric. The oral test will require students to present or perform a speaking test that allow for evaluation of various component of speaking skill. Okay, maybe just all. Thanks. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.